Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. I'm going to be doing a quick little blowout painting, a Dutch pour. I'm going to try it again. I just got a brand new color in, which is Liquitex Dioxazine Purple. So we're going to give that a whirl. I'm going to do it with some gold and a little bit of aqua green, I think, which is this color right here. But first I want to show a couple of paintings that I did that are now dry, and I said I would show on my next couple of videos coming up. So the very colorful blowout I did is right here, and it just turned out awesome. It's nice, dry, beautiful, bright colors. Just love how this turned out. Okay, so that's one dry. And then I did the reverse dip kind of thing with two canvases, but I had to fix the painting because I wasn't thrilled with it, so I added a couple of flowers to them. So this is the one dry, and the flowers, when you look at it, it almost looks 3D, or they're coming right off the page at you. So I'm really happy that that one turned out. And this is the other one. So the double twin canvas one I did is where I did the blowout of the flowers as well. And I just love how they dried. So there we go. And then the last one to show you is the sapphire, the metallic sapphire background I did, a blowout. And this one just dried beautifully as well. You can see the corners there, the sapphire blue, all the way around the frame of it. It's just gorgeous. So there we go. There's an update on the dried paintings. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be very much appreciated. And if any of you haven't seen the twin sister versus twin sister video, it was really funny. I did it last night with my twin sister, and yeah, it just cracked me up. So if you get a chance to see it, please do so and let us know which video, or which pour painting you like the best. I also did a man versus woman as well, which is quite funny to watch. So again, vote on your favorite so we know which one did the better pour painting. Okay, let's do a quick little torch on this one. This is a 14 by 14 canvas with the white acrylic I just put on. Just going to blow out some of the bubbles and do a quick little, hopefully beautiful Dutch pour. That's my plan. So I'm going to start putting color just down in the corner down here, and then I want to blow it up. That's my plan. So we're going to do the new purple I just got. I just showed you in the bottle. Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basic Acrylics. I'm going to put this down right about here. Okay, put that aside. Then I'm going to do the aqua green. Right here. Not a lot, just a bit. And then I'm also going to do some gold. So I definitely want purple to dominate. And then I also have some of my white that I'm going to flood it with. Now I have 2 drops in this size bottle, which is only, I think it's a 7-ounce bottle. There's 2 drops of silicone in here, that's it. So I just want to have a little bit of cell action happen. So I'm going to flood it with my white with a little bit of silicone. Okay. Now I'm going to first try with my little battery operated air compressor. I might want to use my blow dryer though, because it's a larger canvas. 14 by 14 is a wide area to go. But I'm going to try it with this first and we'll see. So I'm just going to cover these colors with the white. And just let it sit for a couple of seconds. And I am going to grab my blow dryer because I want this color to go farther up. I don't think that's going to blow it quite far enough for me. Okay, just let me grab my blow dryer 1 sec. We're going to make some noise. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to use my little compressor. Just add a little more blowout to this. Love this new purple. It's a gorgeous color. I already got cells happening too from the blow dryer, which is awesome. Okay, let's give it a torch and see how I like it. Beautiful cells happening. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay. Hopefully you can see how gorgeous this is. Just going to turn it this way. I wanted to keep some negative space up here, which is exactly what I got. I'll tilt it this way a little bit. It's just beautiful. Can't wait to see this one dry. Love it. Alright, told you it was going to be a quick little video. Thanks very much for watching, everybody. And as you can see, this is really easy to do. This is white acrylic as a base with glue and water mixed together. So it's Elmer's Glue All and water. 50% glue, 50% water. Add it to your acrylic paint till you get a nice, smooth consistency to your paint. It's usually about 50-50 depending on how thick your paint is. And then the same thing with the purple. I mixed it 50% paint, 50% of the glue and water mixture, and away we went with gold, a little bit of green. Perfect. Please hit the subscribe button. I would very much appreciate it. And come back and watch another video. Thanks, everyone.